Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming versions and creating a backup so you can revert if needed. Once done, install and run the FIFA Editor tool as administrator, then open the game database file. Make sure the editor reads all data packs. If not, reload the folder. Next, locate the object or player ID you want to edit and lock the file to prevent autosaving. This first action sequence ensures you can edit safely and avoids corrupting the live game files. You now perform the detailed edits. Search by ID or use filters for position, nationality, or ratings, and select the entries to change. Edit numeric fields directly, overall, pace, wages, and validate that values stay within acceptable ranges so the game reads them. Once you change attributes, use the batch edit tool for multiple players to save time. Then run the built-in validator to find conflicts. Make sure to save incremental copies, so you finish by exporting your modified database or packaging a mod file compatible with the game. Choose Overwrite or create a separate mod to keep originals intact. Then launch FIFA and load a fresh save to verify changes. Check stats, kits, and squad lists. If the game crashes or items are missing, revert to your backup, reopen the editor, and inspect invalid ID, out-of-range values, or missing texture references. One key troubleshooting tip: always compare your modified file size and log output to spot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.